Hey everyone, Jeremy here. We're in the garage. I wanted to do a quick little unboxing here.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too.
I'm building my MBX7 TR Nitro truggy. I got this truggy used as a roller, basically, or slider, rather. So I've got my Trinity receiver battery, SRT servos, and Futaba receiver in here with a Thunder Innovations power switch. And it's time to get the motor situated. So I bought here, this is an Atom SV-1 motor that I got from Dialed Hobbies RC. Thank you, Gene. And I chose this motor basically because it's I've got it on good information that this is a Spec II OS motor, basically, made from the OS factory. So with that being said, this motor should be pretty badass. So I wish I had a Spec II here to show you, to compare this with. But the casting looks pretty much exactly the same. You know, they have a different logo on here, but this is the Spec II casting on there. That's nice. It comes with a brand new exhaust gasket. This back plate looks top-notch, machined. It's not cast or crappy. This thing is stupid light. So light. I just had a Works B5 and I never ran it yet, but I had handled it a lot. I was setting up the flywheel and the clutch, and the motor was at least twice as heavy as this. This thing is almost weightless. Phew. Hold on a second, I'll be right back. Alright, so I was looking for a scale to weigh it and I couldn't find one, but I'll look up later and check out the weight specs. But this motor is extremely light in my opinion. It doesn't weigh very much, which is a really nice thing, to not have a super heavy engine weighing you down. And then in the box, pre-installed, this one has a 7mm restrictor installed on the carburetor already. And there is a 6.5mm in the box. So you've got that. So I can't turn this motor over by hand at all. It's extremely tight. So this motor is definitely going to need a good break-in. And I'm going to do a separate video on the break-in. And then I'll do another video after running it for some time. I'll do an actual review on this motor. But based on the feedback I've gotten by local people, I'm expecting this thing to run like really, really good. So I will follow back up and let you know how that goes. You can get this motor, I believe it's like $180 from Favorite Hobbies, and the OS Spec II motor is like $499, $500. So, you know, if this runs the same, you know, I could buy 2.5 of these, almost 3 of these for the price of an OS motor, and keep them from backups. So I'm planning on maybe building a Nitro buggy. So depending on how this works, I'll probably get more of these, and I almost want to order another one just to keep it on hand. So we'll get that installed in the Nitro truggy here, and we'll do a break-in, and I'll come in and we'll do the break-in video together, see how that goes. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Talk to you next time. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, comment below. Please let me know if the videos helped you, what you would like to see in the next videos, and if there's anything we can do to make the quality of the videos better for you, that would be great. If you're a vendor, you'd like to send me something to review, a product review, or would like to sponsor me for racing, my email is just down here. Send me an email, we'll work it out. Other than that, collab on, guys.